G'day guys, Dave from Tailview here. Today's video is just going to show what we do with all the offcuts from the mill. Now, while we try to maximise the yield from every log, you're always going to have bits of bark and some random size offcuts that you need to do something with. Now, we try to multi-purpose everything as much as possible and we store everything up. Some of it goes to firewood, but the rest of it goes through chipping, and that's what we put out on the gardens and on the orchard. This is how we do it. Here we are coming over to the sawmill, famous Australian-made Lucas mill, and it is a little wonder. Over here we have the cradle that we build in order to move the logs in easily. Just push them up and rearrange them on those ramps there and slide on in. Here's a pile of offcuts. These will go through the chipper. Over in the background there we've got some firewood piles. We'll cut them up for that as well. And this is where the sleeper backs and extra boards that aren't good enough for the house go. And this is the massive pile of sawdust that comes up and milling logs.